Hello viewers. In this video we will learn how to create brush stroke effect in Photoshop. So, let's start. First, open your image into Photoshop. Now, double-click on the image layer to unlock it and click OK. Now drag and drop the ink smudge file into Photoshop. Turn off the image layer. Select smudge layer, then right-click and select rasterize layer. Now, go to select color range. Select the white color which we don't want into our file. Hit OK. Now press delete. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Now turn on the image layer. Say need to remove edges from the smudge layer. Select any selection tool and select all edges of brush smudge image. Press delete. Now press Ctrl+D to deselect. Place the smudge image at one of the face corner. Now, right-click on the layer and click on Duplicate Layer. Duplicate the layer several times. Now, start arranging the brush smudge around the face as I do. Once the brush smudge gets arranged, then, press Shift and select all the duplicate layer. Then right-click and select Merge Layers. Now press and hold Ctrl key and click on Smudge Layer to make selection. Select the image layer, then create a mask. Now, delete the top layer. Now, for background color, create a new solid color layer. drag it to bottom. Double-click on the color layer to change the background color. We are done here. Let's have a look at final output. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.